What's up guys, it's me or Jimmy. So here the top 5 Moto E5 case. The number 5th case is a beautiful rose case. Look at it, it's so beautiful, it's so romantic. And number four is a simple honeycomb case which is a quite grippy, which means that the phone is not going to slip from your hand. And number three is amazing, beautiful, mystical, abstract art style case. And number two is a rugged tire style case, which means you can abuse this phone, throw it away, still the phone will survive due to this case. And number one is a simple beautiful case from Nomofalias. I mean, do I need to say anything? So all of the cases links are in the description box below. It was me, Gmail Geek. Spot me on Amazon. Bye.